Assalamu alaikum, Farooq Abdullah with you people with today's lecture. Today we are going to talk about the types of sentences according to their structure. In one of our previous lectures, we discussed that types of the sentences are based on either structure or types of the sentences are based on use or meaning. And in our previous lecture, we have discussed the types of the sentences according to their meaning, like assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, optative sentences, imperative sentences. These are the types of the sentences according to their use or according to their meaning. So in today's lecture, we are going to talk about the types of sentences according to their structure, according to their form. Actually, according to the form and according to the structure, sentences have got four types. Sentences have got four kinds. So there are four kinds of the sentences based on structure. These four types are simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, and compound complex sentences. We will discuss all these four types one by one, but first it is essential for me to make you people clear about clause, because if you don't have proper understanding, a thorough and profound understanding of clause, you cannot understand the types of sentences according to their structure. So first we are going to discuss about clause. Clause is an arrangement of words. I repeat that clause is an arrangement of words where we have subject and predicate. Clause is an arrangement of words where we have a subject and predicate, and we have discussed that subject is a person or thing about which something is said in a sentence, and all the words which join together to tell something about the subject are called predicate. Now coming towards the first type, the first kind of the sentences. First kind is simple sentence. So in simple sentence, we have got one clause only. So when I say that there is a one clause in a sentence, it means that there will be one subject and there will be one predicate. For example, Ali is flying a kite. So this is a simple sentence because it has one subject and one predicate. Ali is subject and is flying a kite is a predicate. Ali exercises daily. So this is a simple sentence because there is a one clause here in this sentence. Ali is a subject and exercises daily is a predicate. So simple sentence is a kind of sentence where we have only one clause. Now what's a compound sentence? In a compound sentence, we have got two or more independent clauses which are connected together, which are linked together by coordinating conjunction. For example, there is a sentence, Ali exercises daily, so he is healthy. Now look at this sentence, Ali exercises daily, so he is healthy. So both the clauses can stand independently. Each and every clause in this sentence can stand by itself. It can be used independently as a sentence. For example, Ali exercises daily, full stop. He is healthy, so full stop. So these are actually two independent clauses which are joined together, which are connected together by a coordinating conjunctions. So to cram this thing, you must know there is a word fanboys. Fanboys. So what are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are actually fanboys. F for, A for and, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So when these conjunctions are being used, I mean fanboys, when these conjunctions are being used, you must know that these are coordinating conjunctions, and when coordinating conjunctions are being used in a sentence, that sentence will be obviously a compound sentence. It won't be complex sentence. Now, what's a complex sentence? Complex sentence is that kind of sentence which has one independent clause. That independent clause can stand by itself. That independent clause can be used as a sentence independently, and two or more dependent clauses. Those dependent clauses cannot make their meaning by themselves. They will have to be added with principal clause to make the sense clear, to make a proper sense. For example, I cannot attend classes because I am ill. So principal clause in this sentence is I cannot attend classes. And subordinate clause in this sentence is because I am ill. Because I am ill is a subordinate clause. It cannot stand by itself independently. It will have to be added with a principal clause to make its sense clear. So these are called complex sentences. So complex sentences are not that really complex that you cannot understand these sentences. Now coming towards last, the fourth type, the fourth kind, compound complex sentences. Before I tell you people about compound complex sentences, let me make you clear about subordinating conjunction. I have told you people about coordinating conjunctions, and what were those coordinating conjunctions? Those coordinating conjunctions were fanboys. So all other conjunctions other than fanboys, like for, like and, like but, like so all other conjunctions like because, after, since, and the relative pronouns which are also used as conjunction in a sentence, all those conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions. So while coming towards compound complex sentences, a compound complex sentence has two or more independent clauses. Let me repeat, two or more independent clauses. Definitely those independent clauses will be connected with one another by a coordinating conjunction and one or more subordinate clause. One or more subordinate clause obviously will not stand by itself. It will have to be added to a principal clause, to a main clause, to make its sense. So for example, there is a sentence, I am studying, my sister is playing, while everyone else is sleeping. Now see here in this sentence, I am studying, my sister is playing. These are two independent clauses which are connected to one another by a coordinating conjunction, and that coordinating conjunction is and. While everyone else is sleeping, this is subordinate clause. This is a dependent clause that cannot stand by itself. It will have to be added to a principal clause to make its sense clear. So to sum up, compound complex sentences are actually those kind of sentences which have two or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. I hope that you might have got my lecture. If you have made your concept clear about the types of sentences according to their structure, you are requested to subscribe this channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.